Hi teachers, want to create the perfect setup for a fun math class? Let's dive into how to arrange your classroom for the game-based learning to be both organized and effective. Set up a specific area in your classroom to store the fun math kit. This will make it easy to quickly distribute the materials during the class time. Having everything in one place ensures smooth transition and keep the class on track. Before distributing the fun math kit, ensure that every student is seated in their respective place and draw a line on the desk between two students, which helps them to understand their personal space. Ensure that every desk has equal number of students and they are evenly spaced. These setups make sure that the kids are well organized and prevents any disruptions during the activity. Clear away any unnecessary clutter. Make sure that their books, bags and other personal items are kept under their desk or in the designated area so that the students can focus solely on the game. A tidy workspace will keep to help the order and reduce the distraction. After a few fun math classes, you'll get an idea which student grasps the concept quickly and who needs a bit more support. Rearrange your classroom in such a way that those who require more attention are grouped together. This way, you can give more attention to those who require and the rest who understand the concept quickly can play the games with minimal supervision. This approach will make sure that every students get the attention they require. Remember to organize your fun math kit area. Make sure that the students are evenly spaced and the classroom is clutter free. And group together students with similar skill levels. Implement these steps in your classroom so that you can focus more on your teaching. So wait for more classes, more tips and tricks. Until then, happy teaching.